Hey everyone, well it's a big day, it's weaning day. We usually wean in 2 groups. Today is going to be the first group. So a lot to weaning. Most important part is you keep the ewes dried off, and I start that process about 2 weeks before the weaning date. So we've been slowly backing down the canola meal, the alfalfa silage, and the barley in their ration. Now all that they've been eating for the last little bit is just tub ground barley straw and a little bit of barley silage. So after today they'll be on straw for a couple days, and then just a base rough maintenance ration for a little bit to get them to stop producing milk. But we got a lot to do. Got to put heavy bedding down where we're going to put the ewes, because I want to make sure that they're staying out of the moisture. They're on a nice dry area. Of course, it's a beautiful day. We're very thankful for that. But we got to shuffle a whole bunch of things around. We're going to sort the ewes and the lambs, vaccinate lambs, do it all. So we better get to it. So the straw is all in place. They got lots of bedding now, they should be dry. And I'm just putting this bunk here. We whipped this up today because this is just going to be a nice little area for my ram. I don't want the rams where they are right now, so they have a new home here. It should be good. You boys like your new home? Here, I got you some fresh barley here. Oh well, they're settled in. Now we're gonna go begin the big wean. And so the wean begins. We got everything set up here. One thing that's changed is I got a new scale, so it should be able to data log everything as it goes through with weaning weights. There we go. Don't look at the brand, they don't pay me. But if they wanted to, I'd say nice things. Anyway, it's gonna be very loud. Please enjoy the next footage of us putting in work. So we just opened the gate and we got maybe a quarter of the ewes to come out on their own without any lambs, so we're going to take them to their place of resting for now. Oh, they know what's up. It's a sad day for the babies because they don't have their moms anymore, but I mean, if you see a sad sheep, these are not sad sheep. Uh-oh. Come, sheep. They think spring is here and they should be on grass, but there's no grass yet. This is Sawyer. Sawyer's a friendly sheep. Oh, well, if you...
I'll just go out here and try.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That way. There might be more than a quarter of the ewes. Okay, here. I'll go deal with them.
Okay.
Thank you. Come on, girls. We got our gate, our wall set up here. See if they'll go in now. What's wrong? No, that's true. We can chase them now. Come on, guys. Yep. There's a lot of lambs in here, which is a good problem to have, but man, it's gonna be a long day. Come on, 39. Oh, good. So again, the reason we have to get every animal out of here is because we're vaccinating all these lambs. So normally if we're just weaning, leave a few lambs behind, it's fine, just get rid of the ewes, but today's a lot different. All right, now we're in good shape. Got everyone in a group here and here, so we can sort the ewes into here. Well, thankfully, there's not that many of them, so it should be a good time.
I gave cows a try, but it was kind of a curse. All it ended up doing was draining my purse. And suddenly, it occurred to me, I'm needing sheep. Soft and white and dumb and chill, bad they're so easy to kill. I'll be rolling in the money in no time at all. The girls see my lambs, they'll say,
Give me a call.
Breeding's all that will put me to sleep. I'm needing sheep. Market's rising, gonna hit the sky. My profit margin's gonna be so high. I wanna be a sheep boy, I just cannot deny it's true. Haters gonna hate, talkers gonna talk. If you come at me like that, I'll say, go suck a rock. I don't care what you think. think of me. 'Cause I'm neat and cheap. It's the only thing for me. So soft and white and dumb and chill. Bet they're so easy to kill. I'll be rolling in money in no time at all. The girls see my lambs will say,
Give me a call.
people are all after my tender meat. I'm needing sheep. I'm needing.
So it's really loud, my apologies for that. But I've been working here for about 4 hours. It's been a very long day. And we're just about done. Come on, buddy. Come on, yeah, it's nice in there. They got treats. This is a lot of work. Come on, mamas. That's good. Finally found the last lamb. Come on, buddy. No, no, no.
Not the heartbeat.
Oh, that's good. Except this guy snuck through. That's a lamb. Supposed to be in there. So we'll get the lambs tucked away and get the ewes sent down to their new place. Haven't even started feeding yet. Come on, ladies.